all are fine and healthy. Have you seen my last video in which I taught you digestion in human beings, है ना? So first we will do the revision of digestion in human beings. Then we will start our new topic. This is our part 4 of chapter number 2, nutrition in animals. So first we will do the revision of digestion in human beings. So see here, as I taught you, this is our digestive system. This is the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal means this is a tract where the food goes from mouth and reach to the anus, and where the digestion and absorption of food particles take place. As you know that digestion of food starts with from our mouth. First we take the food from our mouth. The process of taking food from mouth is called digestion. I taught you this. From mouth food goes to the esophagus, and from esophagus food goes to stomach where the small digestion takes place. Below the stomach there is a pancreas, and in the right side there is the liver. Liver secretes the bile juice. I taught you liver secretes the bile juice, and pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice. The liver which secretes the bile juice stored in a gallbladder. Gallbladder is a sac-like structure which stores the bile juice. This juices goes to the small intestine. In small intestine, the liver which secretes the bile juice help in the digestion of carbohydrates, and pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice which help in the digestion of proteins and fat. This I taught you, है ना? ये सब आपको याद है? Then the food which is remain undigested goes to the large intestine, and from large intestine the food become a semi-solid phases and went to the anus, and it is removed from our body, है ना? This is the whole digestive system, digestion process in a human being. So now today we will start our new topic, that is digestion in grass-eating animals. अब grass-eating animals में digestion कैसे होता है? So let's see. First tell me which are the grass-eating animals. So grass-eating animals are cow, buffalo. These are the grass-eating animals. Rabbit, goat. Cow, buffaloes and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously even they are not eating the grass. आप सबने देखा है cow, buffaloes को when they take the grass, after some time it is even not in their mouth but even they are chewing. उनके मुंह में grass नहीं होती but they are continuously chewing their food. So why they are chewing food? Let's see here. Actually, they quickly swallow the grass and store in a separate part of the stomach called rumen. अब जो ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स होते हैं उनके स्टमक में there is a one part named rumen. In a grass eating animals, I am talking only about the grass eating animals. In grass eating animals, in their stomach there is a small part that is called rumen. When they eat the grass, they quickly swallow. वो फटाफट क्या करते हैं अपने स्टमक में स्टोर कर लेते हैं. The food which is stored in the stomach in the part called rumen. स्टमक के rumen part में वो पूरी ग्रास जो होती है वो वहां पे जाके क्या हो जाती है? स्टोर हो जाती है. See, this is the rumen part. ये उनका स्टमक होता है और ये स्टमक के अंदर एक rumen part होता है जहां पे ग्रास स्टोर हो जाती है. Okay, they quickly swallow the grass and they store in the rumen part of the stomach. Here the food gets partially digested and it is called curd. जब वो rumen में जाती है, it is partially digested. वो fully digest नहीं होती, it is partially digested. And that partially digested food is called curd. Partially digested food is known as curd. The grass which goes to rumen, it is partially undigested. It is a partially digested, and this is called curd. Okay, what is curd? So partially digested food is known as curd. But the later curd returns to the mouth in a small lump. आपने देखा है जब when the cow and buffalo chewing their mouth, a small lump saliva जैसे एक उनके पार्ट मुंह से निकलता रहता है, वो लिक्विड जैसा लिक्विड. That liquid is known as small lump. हाँ, जैसे वो कर्ड जो पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड फूड है वो उनके माउथ में वापस रिटर्न आता है इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ स्मॉल लम्प्स, एंड द एनिमल्स च्यू इट. फिर वो उसे वापस से क्या करते हैं? उस कर्ड को च्यू करते हैं, दैट वे उसे वापस से चबाने की प्रोसेस करते हैं. ठीक है. First they take the grass, they store in a rumen. In the rumen it is partially digested, it is not fully digested. That partially digested food is known as curd. Curd again returns to the mouth in a form of small lumps. So the process of again chewing the food, that process is known as rumination. That process is known as rumination. That when the curd means the partially digested food when returns to the mouth and they again chew it, that process is known as rumination. And these animals are called ruminants. ऐसे एनिमल्स जिनमें ये प्रोसेस होती है कि पहले फूड ह्यूमन में स्टोर हो जाता है, then in human it is partially digested and again it comes to the mouth, है ना, they again chew that food. That animals are known as ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrates which is present in a cells. As you know that our body is made up of cells. So cells contain the cellulose part. Okay, cells क्या contain करते हैं? They contain the cellulose part. And cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose. ऐसे ह्यूमन बीइंग्स और काफी सारे ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं जो सेलुलस को डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. एंड हियर यू कैन आल्सो सी द डाइजेशन एनिमल्स डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. एज इन एनिमल देयर इज आल्सो एसोफेगस. In animals there is a one special part, that is rumen. In rumen they store the grass, and in rumen it is partially digested. That partially digested food is known as curd, है ना. And this is the small intestine. In animals there is also a large intestine. Okay students. Then animals like horses, rabbit, etc. have a large sac-like structure called cachium. अब उनमें एक sac-like structure होता है. कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं जैसे कि हॉर्सेस, रैबिट, दे हैव अ सेक-लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज नोन एज कैशियम बिटवीन द ओस्टोफेगस एंड एसोफेगस एंड द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. कैशियम कहां पे स्टोर होता है? इट इज बिटवीन द एसोफेगस एंड द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. द cellulose of food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in human. अब जो इनका जो कैल्शियम पार्ट होता है, इन द कैल्शियम पार्ट देयर वेरियस एंजाइम्स और यू कैन से बैक्टीरिया which help in a digestion of the food. That bacteria is not present in a human being. इसलिए हम grass नहीं खा सकते. They are only eaten by the horses and cow, buffalo, because in there is a part which is called calcium. In calcium, there is some bacteria which help in a digestion of grass. Okay, these bacteria are not present in a human beings. Now we will see our new topic, that is feeding and digestion in amoeba. अब amoeba में digestion, अब first we will see what is amoeba. Amoeba कौन है? So see here. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in a pond water. जो amoeba होता है वो एक ऐसा animal होता है जो found in a pond water. It does not have their own shape. Amoeba एक ऐसा organism है which is made up of only one cell. कितने सेल्स का बना हुआ? इट इज मेड अप ओनली वन सेल. इट इज लाइक अ मॉस्किटो. मॉस्किटो कैसे होता है? इट इज मेड अप ऑफ सिंगल सेल. इन अ सेम मैनर amoeba is also made up of single cell. It does not have shape. उसका कोई भी शेप नहीं होता है. And it is found in a pond water. And this is an animal which we cannot see by our naked eye. हम उसे अपनी खुद की आंखों से नहीं देख सकते. If we want to see an amoeba, we have to use the microscope. हमें किसका यूज करना पड़ता है? माइक्रोस्कोप का. माइक्रोस्कोप की मदद से ही हम amoeba जैसे सिंगल सेल्स देख सकते हैं. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. And as I taught you that amoeba does not have a shape. It always continuously changing its shape and its position also. It pushes out one or more finger-like projection called pseudopodia. अब क्या होता है? See, this is an amoeba. Okay? Whenever an amoeba wants to take a food, जब भी amoeba को अपना food लेना होता है, so amoeba has a sense, वो अपने food को smell कर देता है ना? So whenever amoeba sense the food smell, they went to near the food. Okay? And they see, this is a finger-like structure. वो क्या करते हैं? वो एक अपना finger-like part अपने body में से निकालते हैं. That finger-like part is known as pseudopodia. See here in pseudopodia, the spelling of pseudopodia is फिंगर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, यहाँ पे वो फिंगर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर क्या करते हैं, टेक अप निकालते हैं, दैट फिंगर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज pseudopodia. Okay, and this process of taking food is known as egestion. और false feet for movement or a capture of food, या तो तुम उसे pseudopodia भी बोल सकते हो या उसे क्या बोल सकते हो, false feet भी बोल सकते हो. Amoeba feeds one on some microscopic organisms. See, amoeba feeds on some microorganisms. वो किस पे डिपेंड करते हैं, they depend on some microscopic organism. Microscopic organism which we cannot see with our naked eye, but they can see and they feed it. When it senses food, मैंने बोला कि they have a sense of smell, so when the food comes near to them, they can sense the food and they can take that food particles. It pushes out pseudopodia around the food particles. मैंने बोला कि जब उन्हें food particle की smell आ जाती है, they take out the pseudopodia, मतलब एक finger like part को अपनी body से निकालते हैं, that is known as pseudopodia. और it means they pushes the pseudopodia around the food particles. पूरे food particles के पास ये पूरा food particle वो क्या करते हैं, pseudopodia से cover कर, and then they take that food particles in a food vacuole. फूड वैक्यूल उनकी बॉडी का एक पार्ट होता है जहां पे वो अपना फूड को स्टोर कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, सी यू कैन सी दिस इज द फूड वैक्यूल. दिस फूड पार्टिकल विल गोज टू द फूड वैक्यूल. एज आई टॉट यू, व्हेन इट सेंसेस फूड, उनमें एक सेंस स्मेल होती है, दे कैन सेंस देयर फूड. इट पुशेस आउट pseudopodia अराउंड द फूड पार्टिकल्स. मैं वापस से बोलूं, इसको pseudopodia बोलेंगे, P इज अ साइलेंट. ठीक है, they can pushes their pseudopodia around the food particles and engulfs it. Engulfs मतलब वो उसके food particle को क्या करेंगे, अपनी बॉडी के अंदर ले लेंगे, and the food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. मैंने कहा बोला कि वो food particle कहाँ पे स्टोर हो जाता है, in a food vacuole. Digestive juice are secreted into the food vacuoles. अब देखो ये जो amoeba होता है, in amoeba cytoplasm is found. Okay, and amoeba cytoplasm is present. साइटोप्लाज्म सीक्रेट द डाइजेस्टिव, जैसे हमारी बॉडी में कैसे लीवर पेनक्रियास होते हैं, दे सीक्रेट्स द डाइजेस्टिव जूस. इन अ सेम मैनर एनिमल हैज अ साइटोप्लाज्म पार्ट व्हिच सीक्रेट्स द डाइजेस्टिव जूस. दिस डाइजेस्टिव जूस हेल्प इन द डाइजेशन ऑफ द फूड पार्टिकल. दे एक्ट ऑन द फूड एंड ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू द सिंपलर सब्सटेंस. मैंने आपको डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में बताया था कि डाइजेस्टिव जूस का काम क्या होता है, टू ब्रेक डाउन द कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस इनटू द सिंपलर सब्सटेंस, है ना. तो एमिबा में भी डाइजेस्टिव जूस क्या करता है, इट ब्रेक द कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस इनटू द सिंपलर सब्सटेंस. ग्रेजुअली द डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज एब्सॉर्ब. जो फूड डाइजेस्ट हो गया वो क्या करेगा, वो उसे एब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा. द एब्सॉर्ब सब्सटेंस आर यूज्ड फॉर ग्रोथ, मेंटेनेंस एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अब जो फूड जैसे हमको कैसे एनर्जी मिलती है, व्हेन वी एब्सॉर्ब द फूड वी आर एबल टू डू वर्क, वी गेट द एनर्जी, our growth and development is good. In a same manner, so the absorbed foods help in their growth, their maintenance, that they can easily make a food vacuole, digestive juice, and multiplication. Multiplication means then they break down and they make a more amibas, है ना. मल्टीप्लिकेशन मतलब क्या होता है कि वो खुद ही टूट में और वो बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज होने लगा. About multiplication you will study in a 10th standard. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. अब vacuole में जितनी डाइजेशन होनी थी डाइजेशन हो गई. अब जो undigested food है वो क्या हो जाएगा, it is come from outside from the vacuole. vacuole से वो food कहाँ जाएगा, बाहर आ जाएगा. The basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in all animals. जितने भी एनिमल्स होते हैं इनमें ये प्रोसेस क्या होती है, सेम होती है. They take the food, they digest it, the digestive enzymes are present in their body, they help in digestion of food. This process is almost same in all the animals. Okay students, now this is your home assignment. First explain the digestion process in amoeba. amoeba में digestion process आपको बनानी है. And the second question is explain the digestion process in grass eating animal. Okay students, read the chapter number 2. Here the explanation part of chapter number 2 is over.